try to understand how to find out the centroid of a composite section. Now we'll consider the T section as shown in the figure, and the dimensions are also shown over here. Now we'll consider some reference axes. So OA is the reference axis for the calculation of Y values, whereas OB is the reference for calculation of the X values. This OA will pass through this bottom of the section, whereas axis OB or reference OB will pass to the extreme left of this section over here. Now we'll join the diagonals of this rectangle. So suppose this is our first section, and if we join these diagonals, it will intersect over here. So this is the centroid of the first section. Similarly, the diagonals of the second rectangle, they will intersect at this point, and that is the centroid of the second section. Now from the reference OB, the distance of the centroid is x1 of the first section. Similarly, for the second section, this distance will be x2. Similarly, the centroid of the first section from the reference OA, this distance will be y1. Similarly, the centroid of the second section will have a distance of y2 from the reference OA. So this distance will be y2. So this is y1, y2. These are the distances x1 and x2. So y1 will be equal to 10 upon 2, that is 5 centimeter, because this total depth is 10 centimeter. Similarly, y2 will be equal to this 10 plus half of this 2, because this centroid will be at a distance of half from this section. So up to this it is 10 centimeter from our reference. So our reference is OA. So 10 plus 2 by 2, that is the value of y2. x1 is the distance of the centroid from our reference OB. So OB is the reference. So from this reference up to this, the distance will be 11 by 2, because this total width is 11 centimeter. Similarly, distance of the centroid of the second section from OB is also equal to 11 upon 2. So from this up to this, it is x2, that is equal to 11 upon 2, that is 5.5 centimeter. So in this way, we have calculated the values of x1, x2, y1 and y2. Now the areas of the section also we can calculate. So area of the first rectangle will be equal to 10 into 2, that is 20 centimeters square. Similarly, area of the second rectangle will be equal to 11 into 2, that is 22 centimeters square. So now we will calculate the coordinates of x bar and y bar. So formula for x bar is a1x1 plus a2x2 divided by a1 plus a2. Formula for y bar is a1y1 plus a2y2 divided by a1 plus a2. Now substitute the calculated values over here. So you will get the answer for x bar as 5.5 centimeter, and for y bar it is 8.1429 centimeter. So coordinates of centroid of the given section x bar and y bar are 5.5 centimeter and 8.1429